Hi guys! Many of you in the comments and other social media were asking me to make a video about how to make a simple remote-controlled car. But I'm not going to show you how to make a simple one. Instead, in today's video we're going to make something different. At a first glance, this build may seem complicated, but it's quite easy to make. So, stay focused, and all will work out. To make our car, we will need some epoxy and 2 pieces of solid styrofoam. I've made this in advance. This one will be our remote control, and this will be the car's body. We also need 4 motors. You can find them in old cassette players, CD or DVD drives. Then we will need 4 caps. These are from juice bottles. Find the ones with a bigger diameter than the plain bottle caps. Also, we will need a 4-core cable, 2 9-volt batteries, 2 battery connectors, and a few simple shaving razors. First of all, we will make a hole in the middle of each cap, and then glue them to the motors. Once the glue dries, we fix the motors onto the car's body. Now, let's connect the motors in parallel, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Time to make our remote control. But first of all, we need to dull the razors, so they will be safe to use. After that, make 2 sockets for the 9 volts in our joystick. Rub the connectors together in parallel. Lengthen the wires. Attach 1 razor to each wire. Break the leftover razors in half. And attach a wire to each one. Bend them like that. Now let's glue it all together. And all that's left is to connect the wires. To make things clear, we connect these 2 wires to the right side and these 2 to the left. Now we are going to lengthen them. So guys, our remote control car is ready to go. Let's test it out. First, we connect the batteries. Insert them into the sockets. When the upper right button is pressed, wheels on the left start rotating forward, and when we press the lower button, they start rotating in the opposite direction. The same applies to the other side. The upper left button rotates the right pair of wheels forward, whereas the lower button makes them go backwards. Using our remote, we can turn the car around, control only left or right wheels, or make them rotate in opposite directions.
The truth is, I'm not really sure what happened.
If you came to prove, there's no reason to prove. And now you've got yourself something funky.
Did you know? One of the longest traffic jams had a length of about 200 miles and was recorded in France between Paris and Lyon in 1980.